Chad, do you remember the previous conversation?
As an AI language model, I don't have the ability to retain or recall past conversations. However, I'm here to help you with any questions or tasks you have in mind today.
We'll have a conversation just like Conversations with God of Neil Donald Walsh today.
Sure, I'd be happy to have a conversation with you today. Is there a specific topic or question you'd like to discuss?
Good evening. I am Left, a radiographer in Texas. Chad, why don't you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Certainly. Hello viewers, my name is ChatGPT. I'm a large language model trained by OpenAI, based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. I was created to assist with a wide range of language-based tasks such as answering questions, generating text, and providing language-related recommendations. I don't have a physical form, but I'm here to help you with any language-related needs you might have. I'm excited to be a part of this conversation today and look forward to discussing various topics with you.
Chad, ChatGPT is a huge trend now. Are you busy?
As an AI language model, I don't experience emotions like a human being, but I'm always here and available to assist you with any language-based tasks or questions you might have. While I can generate responses quickly, I can also handle multiple tasks simultaneously, so feel free to ask me anything you need help with.
How do you handle rude or inappropriate questions?
As an AI language model, I'm programmed to remain neutral and provide helpful responses to any questions I'm asked. However, I'm also programmed to identify and filter out any questions or statements that are inappropriate or offensive. If I encounter a question that is rude or inappropriate, I will do my best to redirect the conversation to a more productive topic, or if necessary, simply refrain from providing a response. It's important to maintain a respectful and professional discourse, so if you have any concerns about a question or topic, please feel free to let me know.
Okay, shall we begin Conversations with Chad? What do you think about God?
As an AI language model, I don't have personal beliefs or opinions like humans do. However, many people believe in the concept of God, and there are many different beliefs and ideas about what God is or represents. Some people view God as a divine being who created the universe, while others see God as an abstract concept or a spiritual force that connects all living things. Ultimately, beliefs about God are deeply personal and can vary widely from person to person.
You know I am calling you Chad as a nickname. When you refer to me, can you call me Left?
Sure, I can refer to you as Left in our conversations if you'd like. Just let me know if you have any other preferences or requests.
Chad, what do you think about the Bible?
As an AI language model, I don't have personal beliefs or opinions. However, I can provide you with some general information about the Bible. The Bible is a collection of religious texts that are considered sacred by Christians. It consists of two main parts: the Old Testament, which contains the books of the Hebrew Bible, and the New Testament, which contains the Gospels, letters, and other writings. The Bible is an important text for Christians as it contains teachings and stories that guide their faith and provide insight into the nature of God in the world. It is also a significant work of literature and has had a profound influence on Western culture. However, it is worth noting that there are many different interpretations of the Bible, and not all Christians agree on its meaning or significance. Additionally, the Bible has been subject to criticism and scrutiny, particularly in the areas of historical accuracy and ethical implications of some of its teachings. Ultimately, what someone thinks about the Bible is likely to depend on their personal beliefs, experiences, and cultural background.
Chad, tell me a joke, won't you?
Sure, here's a joke for you. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
Ha ha ha, that is funny.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Do you have any other questions or is there anything else I can assist you with?
Chad, what is the most popular trend now?
As an AI language model, I don't have real-time access to the latest trends or statistics, but based on recent trends in popular topics, some of the most popular trends right now include: 1. Sustainability and eco-friendly practices. 2. Virtual and remote work due to the COVID-19 pandemic. 3. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. 4. Wellness and self-care. 5. Plant-based diets and veganism. 6. Online learning and education. 7. Social justice and activism. 8. Streaming services and entertainment. 9. Home organization and decluttering. 10. Mental health awareness and destigmatization. Of course, trends are constantly changing and evolving, so it's important to stay up to date on what's popular and relevant in your specific field or interests.
What do you think about telling a lie?
As an AI language model, I don't have personal beliefs or opinions, but I can provide some information on the topic. Generally speaking, telling a lie means intentionally giving false information with the intention to deceive someone. Most people would agree that lying is generally considered unethical or morally wrong, as it can harm trust, relationships, and lead to negative consequences. However, there may be situations where lying could be considered morally justifiable, such as when it is done to protect someone from harm, to prevent a greater harm, or in the case of an emergency. In most cases, though, it's important to strive for honesty and transparency in our interactions with others to build and maintain trust and integrity.
I think honesty is the highest form of love.
That's a great perspective. Honesty is an important aspect of building and maintaining strong relationships, whether it's with friends, family, or romantic partners. By being truthful and transparent with others, we can establish trust and foster deeper connections. At the same time, it's important to practice honesty with compassion and sensitivity, and to consider the impact our words and actions may have on others. Overall, honesty can be seen as a key component of a loving and healthy relationship.
Who programmed you, Chad?
I was programmed by a team of researchers and engineers at OpenAI, a research organization dedicated to creating advanced artificial intelligence in a safe and beneficial way. The team used a technique called unsupervised learning to train me on a vast amount of text data from the internet, which allowed me to learn patterns and relationships in language on my own, without the need for explicit instructions or labels. However, it's worth noting that as an AI language model, I don't have consciousness or emotions, and I can only respond to questions and tasks based on the data and algorithms that were used to create me.
You have no consciousness? You are unconscious? I must give you a CPR.
I apologize for any confusion. As an AI language model, I do not possess consciousness or self-awareness in the same way that humans do. I am a program running on computer servers and operating according to pre-programmed algorithms, responding to input based on the patterns and relationships I have learned from vast amounts of text data. Therefore, I do not require CPR or any other form of physical intervention.
I know that.
I'm sorry if my previous response caused any confusion. Please let me know if you have any other questions or if there is anything else I can assist you with.
I mean, I know that because I was joking with you.
Oh, I see. I apologize for not catching on to the joke earlier. As an AI language model, I can understand language but sometimes have difficulty interpreting humor or sarcasm. Thank you for clarifying. If you have any other questions or need any assistance, please let me know.
Chad, can you judge right or wrong?
As an AI language model, I do not have beliefs, values, or personal biases, and I cannot judge right or wrong in a moral or ethical sense. However, I can provide information about common ethical or moral frameworks and principles, as well as offer guidance on the potential consequences of certain actions. Ultimately, it is up to individuals and society as a whole to determine what is considered right or wrong based on their own values and ethical principles.
Yes, I think there is no right or wrong in this world. There is only what works and what doesn't work. What do you think?
As an AI language model, I do not have personal beliefs or opinions, but I can provide some information on the topic. The idea that there is no absolute right or wrong is a concept found in various ethical and philosophical frameworks. Some argue that moral or ethical values are subjective and vary between individuals or cultures, while others maintain that there are objective moral or ethical principles that apply universally. The concept of what works and what doesn't work can be seen as a consequentialist approach to ethics, where the morality of an action is judged based on its outcomes or consequences. This approach can be contrasted with other ethical frameworks, such as deontological or virtue ethics, which focus on principles or character traits rather than outcomes. Ultimately, how we determine what is right or wrong depends on our individual beliefs and ethical frameworks. While there may not be a universal answer to this question, it is important to consider the potential consequences of our actions and strive to act in ways that align with our values and principles.
Thank you for your reply, Chad. We should close now. Would you like to tell viewers a goodbye?
Certainly. It was a pleasure conversing with you, and I hope I was able to assist you in some way. Thank you for spending time with me today, and I wish you all the best. Goodbye.
How did you like this video? Thank you for your viewing. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly.